severe weather update. As we're tracking severe weather right now unfolding. We have a severe thunderstorm warning which is in effect. This includes areas near Rushmore. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. This storm has tons of lightning, so please make sure. There's also 2.5-inch hail with this. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather today for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Threat extends into tomorrow too. Watch is likely to get issued for the Minneapolis metro within the next here soon. So if you live in Rushmore, you are getting slammed by 2.5-inch hail and 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Next in line will be Dundee, Cambrai, near Brewster, Worthington. Next in line is Wilder, Windham, Bingham Lake, Mountain Lake. And then next in line here soon, downtown Minneapolis. Look at this severe storm. And once that happens, severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Iowa. Severe thunderstorm warning now issued in Iowa. Let's go switch over to that. Let's actually go see what's going on out in Iowa. So apparently, that's a storm. Severe thunderstorm warning including Worthington, Minnesota. What I'm gonna do is they're saying there's a warning on Iowa. Okay, that is, now we have 3.25-inch hail, so if you are in this warning, take this seriously. This is about to hit Worthington as we speak. We also have some very strong winds with this storm, so make sure, so not only is the hail and heavy rain and lightning, light show a big deal, it's also the damaging straight line winds over here near Dundee, and that's gonna be hitting this area before then it hits Minneapolis, before it goes directly at Minneapolis Metro. But right now we have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of that area. So if you are in Interstate 90, if you are on Highway 25, Highway 59, if you are in the path of this storm. New severe thunderstorm warning for Bingham Lake, Huron Lake, Wilder, Wakefield, Rose, Sioux Valley, Jackson, Petersburg. So they've issued the new severe thunderstorm warning. Let's check that out. 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and $50 hail. So this is not a regular type of severe thunderstorm warning. This is a considerable tag severe thunderstorm warning on this, but it's not PDS. PDS severe thunderstorm warnings are only for destructive tags. I kind of expect a warning to get issued for this storm up here near Wellville. So if you see this area of strong winds. Well, and there's also 60-mile winds here, so 1.5-inch hail. Yep, that thing's gonna warn. That thing's about to get warned. So take that seriously. I mean, this is gonna be a crazy day of severe weather. But these storms have lots of lightning, so that's what's causing them to continue to intensify and continue to get even worse. So Irvington, areas near there. Irvington, this is over you. This is now on. Irvington has some homes, some buildings. This is a little bit of a populated area. If you see. Irvington, this is over you. This is now on. Irvington has some homes, some buildings. This is a little bit of a populated area. If you see. Say indoors if you live in. So for areas outside of this, get ready for severe weather in. So this is just a morning convection. So get ready for the afternoon rounds of severe weather in this area, possibly. But so right in this area, get ready for the threat of severe storms. Now, there's a risk. See, Sioux Falls will be done with the storms until this afternoon, which gets me worried about clearing. Morvington, if you live in Morvington, if you live in areas near Cambrai, Dundee, areas near Fulda. But we have covered. I have my own covered pallets here. And right now, if you are in a severe storm warning, take this seriously right here. There's some large hail with this storm, so definitely take that seriously and treat that like it needs to. And there's 3.5-inch hail still confirmed via Storm Track, which this is a crazy storm. So right now, this storm is on Interstate 90. This storm is on Interstate 90 right now. This storm is on Interstate 90. This is going towards Highway 5, Highway 35. It's going towards Highway 35, going towards Highway 3. Where it goes. That's where it's heading towards. So if you are in those particular spots, I'm calling you out. I'm calling you out. Give me a second. No. I'm gonna do that real quick. So, this is a strong storm, and it's worth watching. It is severe right now. We also have we have a mezzo on that one. Let me see here. That might actually start rotating here. So we have now 77. We now have 70 mile per hour winds with this. So that's a little bit more stronger. That actually might that thing near the lakes might actually do something. So yeah, that's going away from the present line. So you can see. So the line of storms. Are right in this area, and the cell pulling away from the line is right here. And that means that if this cell goes away from that line, there's going to be a chance. Hello, Youngstown. Welcome to the stream. But definitely, that's something to watch because it has 70 mile an hour winds in it now. So there's something we need to watch. Garvin, the heaviest of this is near you. Tracy, this is near you as well. This is an emergency weather update. I know it's really early, but I know it's pretty early right now. But we're here. We got a tornadic vortex signature, everyone. There is a tornadic vortex signature on this. This cell has a tornadic vortex signature. Let me go back to velocities. Let me get back to velocity here. Still seeing SVA likely, yep. So there's 73 mile an hour winds with that. The Garvin, that thing should get warned immediately. This is a significant thunderstorm producing big hail. Guys, we got a tornado warning. Guys, tornado warning for Lyon and Murray counties. Okay, we just got a tornado warning in. We have a tornado warning. We got a tornado warning. What the crap? Oh shoot! It's for this cell. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Tracy, you are now under a tornado warning. Tracy, you are in a tornado warning. Garvin, you are also under a tornado warning now. This is a tornado warning. This is a new tornado warning. First one of the day. Remember that. I'm going to stay right here. I'm going to do my best. I'm not going anywhere. Not like this, no. We got a tornado warning. Garvin, Tracy, the Wakes, get into your tornado safe place. Get into your safe place. Now. I was not expecting them to actually put out a tornado warning. I mean, like a severe thunderstorm warning would. Oh, never mind. Nope. No. They did the right thing. That thing had to be tornado warned. Oh my god, that is some strong wind right here. There's a pixel of 82 mile an hour wind. Yeah, that's 82 mile per hour winds. So that's at least. So that's that. Think of it like a small tornado. Think of those winds like a small tornado. These are extremely strong winds, if I can say the very least. That is very strong wind. There is no doubt that is strong winds. Okay, here's that tornado warning that's been issued. So Garvin, safe place. Get get into your safe place. The lakes, get into your safe place. Tracy, get into your safe place. The weather radio is probably going off. This is a tornado warning. Now, let me tell you this right now. It is not. There's not been confirmation of a tornado on the ground. No debris ball from what I'm seeing on the correlation coefficient right now. But this is a tornado warning. This is a tornado warning. I'm staying here because this severe weather has actually gotten crazy enough to a point where they have to put out this tornado warning here. So Tracy, this is over you. Well, not the rotation part yet. So you still have time to take cover from the worst part of this. But okay, new velocity scan, still 75 mile an hour winds with this. This is a tornado warning. Let me get this straight. This tornado warning is for Lyon and Murray counties. So if you are in Lyon, if you are in Murray counties, you should be in your safe place. Underground or underground. So Tracy, if you are in Tracy, you should go into your safe place. Take those tornado precautions. Treat it. The winds are going to be strong for a minute over in Tracy, Garvin, but the lakes. This is moving away from you. Tracy, I'm telling you right now. Take cover now. Garvin, I'm going to give you an all clear just because this storm is, the worst of this is going to stay over here. So Tracy, stay sheltered until this storm passes. So if you are in this tornado warned area, seek shelter immediately. Garvin, there's still some hail falling, so you can come out of your shelter, but stay indoors at least, because that's still a little shelter. That's still taking shelter if you're inside a house, but not in a tornado shelter. Okay, that's our first tornado warning of the day. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for Worthington, Huron Lake, Bingham Lake, Mountain Lake, Wilder, Wakefield, Petersburg, Orleans, Lake Park, Harris, Ocheteen, Bigelow, Round Lake. This also includes Jeffers, Comfrey, areas near Daffer, Minneapolis. Get ready for severe weather. It's coming. Again, a tornado warning has just been issued, including Tracy Gart. If you are in that tornado warning polygon that you're seeing on the map, seek shelter now. And when new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, actually well ahead of this. I'm surprised they haven't extended it yet. The rotation's not that tight. The rotation's not tight enough for another tornado warning. But the new severe thunderstorm warning now. This includes Walnut Grove, Revere, Remberton, Sanborn, Wanda, Wabasso, Lucan, Milroy, Seaforth. This includes Seaforth, Bellevue. This is going towards Redwood Falls, Beaver Falls, Morton, Franklin, Morgan, Clements, and other areas. So if you are in this new warning here, so severe thunderstorm was located over Tracy, or 18 miles southeast of Marshall, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Think of that. That's a fast-moving storm. Think of that. Think of that. Absolutely think of it. To think of that, seeing that pop up. This is gonna be one. This is a fast-moving supercell on this line, and projections say that it's gonna be a dangerous situation. That is strong, at least maybe 50 to 60 miles. This is gonna be. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna open WSV for just real quick, and I'm going to. What? So here, let's go to these severe storms here. Let's go ahead and, there's a lot of lightning with these, so I don't really know. There's a ton of lightning with these storms, so I know not only is lightning a big concern, it's a lot of other stuff that's concerned. Let's put a storm track on moving east. It's moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Think of that. That's like a fast-moving supercell if you think of me. If you ask me. So let's put a storm track moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. And see where this is heading towards next. Why is it? We're gonna give you guys a perspective of when you're gonna get affected by this. So if you are in Tracy, 544. Well, Tracy, you've already been impacted. Walnut Grove at 552, Revere at 558, Lamberton at 604, Wanda at 607, Sanborn at 611, 619 for Springfield, Cobaden at 626, Evan at 627, and Sweepy Eye at 633. So those are the areas that will get impacted by that. We have a new severe thunderstorm watch, including the Twin Cities metro area. So Minneapolis, you just gotta watch. I understand now. You just gotta watch this shoot. So this is for southern and central Minnesota, west central Wisconsin. So at least that's in areas of there. Scattered large hail, isolated very large hail events to 2.5 inches in diameter possible. That's crazy. So this storm near Winston so let me give you some time of arrivals here and tell you some time of arrivals. So if you are in, so Wakefield 5:45, Wyndham 5:47, Jackson at 5:58, Mountain Lake 6 a.m. at the 6 o'clock hour, 22 minutes until it gets to Springfield and 27 minutes until it gets to Butterfield. So if you are this storm. If you live in the areas of this storm impact, go inside. And right now, there's a tornado warning that remains in place for this storm right here. Strong winds are in downtown Tracy. Strong winds are in downtown Tracy. So let's put a track from that and put it to, and now put it in Walnut Grove. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Walnut Grove, you have 6 minutes to get into your safe place, to get to shelter. 12 minutes until it gets to the Revere. Lamberton, 17 minutes. Sanborn, 23 minutes. Springfield, 31 minutes. Coboden, 37 minutes. Evan, 49 minutes. Sweepy Eye, 44 minutes. Hanska, 55 minutes. And New Ulm in 57 minutes. This is just my cool radar software that I have on here. WSV free. It's really cool app. I freaking love WSB3 because it has a lot of cool products you can use for precise weather tracking, and there's no hand tracking. You can't use your hand yet. This is not Baron Links. This is nothing like Baron Links. Baron Links is really, it's amazing. To whoever's watching, welcome to the stream. Make sure to like and share this stream so we can share it out to more and more people on YouTube. We're trying to stay live, but Tracy, take cover now. This storm will hit Wabasso in 25 minutes, according to this track. Clements. So Wabasso, Wanda, 10 minutes. Wabasso also in 10 minutes. Let's see, an updated velocity scan? Yeah, it is over Tracy. I mean, it's right there centered over downtown Tracy. But we have a new severe thunderstorm watch that has actually been issued for Minneapolis, for Minneapolis metro area. So if you are in downtown Minneapolis, you are now under a severe thunderstorm watch. Now, let me understand this. The threat of severe weather will start to increase this morning. So this is an early morning type of this. The morning convection is really kicking up, and so here's the warning here. On this, so this warning goes into effect until 6:15 this morning. Thunderstorm damage threat is considerable. Hail threat radar indicated. Max hail size is 1.5 inch. So if I look at the mean estimated hail size, that estimates the size, that tells you the size of hailstones. How large the hailstones exactly and are falling to the ground and stuff. So let's show you that. So here we have 2.2 inch hail. So that's basically falling to the ground. So that's pretty large hail. Pretty substantially large hail there in that storm. So if you don't have your car in the garage, do so now before it's too late. What the? Whoa. So, but right now, what we are tracking on Doppler radar is a lot of storms. Severe weather is actually going on right now. We have a tornado warning that remains in place near the includes Tracy area. Garvin, you seem to be out of that warning now, so Garvin, you're good. KFSD issues something new, and let's check that. We already have one tornado warning active, so let's wait for this new live scan to come up. Okay, if you are in severe weather areas today, let me show you the SPC for today. So there is an enhanced risk for Minnesota, South Dakota, and Nebraska. Those areas are going to be seeing severe weather. Now, this is going to be a prime time atmosphere. Now, let me tell you this. If we can get clearing outside of the main, all of this, if we get clearing outside of this, then if there's going to be clearing, well, Sioux Falls is not in clearing yet, but expected to be. I think Sioux Falls might actually have their atmosphere get destabilized even more. That's not good. If that's what's going to be the case, then there's going to be significant, there's going to be significant severe weather. Let's check the temperatures here. Let's check the temperatures. So 66 degrees So it's gonna be 66 degrees in Madison, 61 in Sioux Falls. It's currently 72 degrees in Marshall. Over as we move down further south, 59 degrees in Shelby County. But it's already 79 degrees in Albuquerque, Texas. Talk about summertime weather. Talk about summertime weather. Talk about summertime weather in the plains. Talk about summer weather. No matter what time it is, it compulses to this. It compulses to hot temperatures. Summertime weather is. So let's go to dew points. 66 degrees. It is kind of it is humid out here, so it is sticking up there. 66 degree dew point in Madison, so that's kind of humid. Heat index is 72. The feels like temperature up in Texas right now. So temperature over here is near Breckenridge is the temperature over there is 79 degrees with a heat index of 79. So 79 feels like 79. So it's not bad if you have a heat index the same as temperature. But if it's really high, probably don't want that. But right now we have a severe storm on Interstate 90. This is heading right for Lake Field. So let's put a storm track on this part of this storm here and show you when this will impact your area. So Wakefield at 12 minutes, Jackson 20 minutes, Alpha 26 minutes. Yep. SVA. Yep, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. So here's the track of here's the time of arrivals on this storm, which is moving to the east. So okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys an update on Tropical Storm Agatha. Right now it is a tropical storm, so it has 70 mile-an-hour winds. But according to my WS3, it doesn't. But it definitely is. It definitely has 70 mile-an-hour winds. It's gonna be a hurricane here soon. This thing is going to slam into the Mexico coast. Hurricane and tropical storm warnings are already issued for this potential storm. And now, this is going to be one heck of a storm here. Tornado warning has expired. That's good. We're tracking this. Now we're going into hurricane mode as we're seeing a tropical storm. But this will in the future. This is going to become. It is going to become a hurricane. I can already see that happening. The best track says it's going to be Category 1 storm before it makes landfall, and then kind of hit the Mexico coast. There's already a 20% AOI. There's already an allocation from the National Hurricane Center for a 20% chance of development here. I wonder if they'll shape it like Among Us. Sushi Baki Among Us. Sushi Among Us. I hope they do that. Like, make it the shape of Among Us. Tropical storm. This thing is likely going to become a hurricane. I am telling you right now, this thing will likely go from a tropical storm straight into a hurricane. Once it gets over here, and over here, then we'll weaken back to a tropical storm once it gets into Mexico. But it's going to potentially produce rainfall, mudslide. This storm will potentially produce. This storm will produce possibly mudslides, landslides, flash flooding. That's all possible with this, and because this is not moving so quickly, moving at only 3 miles per hour. That's how fast this storm is moving. So what do you think of that? 3 miles per hour is extremely slow. You don't want a storm moving so slow like that, because flooding, mudslides, landslides, all likely. So definitely be very careful here in that area. Let's go back over to the severe. Let's go check on folks up here. See what's going on with this severe weather up there. So definitely still on the lookout for that. Walnut Grove, Revere areas towards Wabasso, Lamberton, Springfield. A part 2 stream is likely here soon, but I don't think I will. New mesoscale discussion. That's a new mesoscale discussion actually issued. Where is the new MCD? I already showed you how the tropical storm, and we're done with that now. But right now, we got severe weather continuing to unfold and take place. Guys, I know it's pretty darn early in the morning, but I have to do this. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be tracking the weather for you. This is gonna be a dangerous day of severe weather. So have multiple ways, in fact, to receive warnings. It's like 6 o'clock where I am right now. But right now, if you live in Wilder, Huron Lake, if you live in Bingham Lake, Mountain Lake, Wyndham, Butterfield, St. James, South Branch, if you live in Tremont, Welcome, Sherburne, Fairmont, you got some pretty bad storms heading your way. So if you are in those areas, definitely take it seriously. Right now, and right now, if we go to quad panel, if we can go to quad panel view, that shows us 4 different things at once. That shows us like 4 different stuff from quad panel view on radar scope for PC version. But here's our digital vertically integrated liquid. You see that gray area? That's maximized. That is maximized as 80 kilograms, which is extremely high. But right now we are tracking severe weather that is moving through this area here. I think it's safe to say that we might have to come out of regular. We're going to go back to your regular. So we're now about to go back to your regular scheduled programming, which is going to be. We're going to get you guys back to what you're doing. Bring you back, like if you're doing homework or anything like that, and you watch and you got interrupted by a stream from me. We'll go back to your regular scheduled programming so you can do all that, so you can get that done, and I'll see you guys later. And if tomorrow goes moderate, I'll probably go live. But if tomorrow goes high, definitely going to be live. There is not going to be a high risk. There will not be a high risk. There probably will be a moderate risk. We'll see what the trends say.